We are in a very special place. We're in the courtyard of Works 1, where you will find Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur. Be sure to log into your YouTube account, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Best of all, it's free to do so. Tell me what's right behind us.
Well, it's funny you say it, because here in Werk 1, right behind me, is actually the office of Dr. Porsche. And it's just such a cool place to be here with the founder, so to say, the founding family, always looking at what we're doing.
Exactly, we're at Works 1 where it all started. So let's talk about Exclusive Manufaktur as well as Sonderwunsch.
Sure. Exclusive Manufaktur stands for individualizing your dream car. And when this comes to an end, we have the Sonderwunsch program. So this is where everything that's possible outside the car configurator, and we can do pretty much everything you dream of, trying to do at least, and create the most personal car while doing that.
So in the United States, growing up, most cars, when we go to the dealership and such, you're looking at cars that are kind of in the lot, and you kind of pick one from there. But in Europe, it's very much different. You've dreamt about having a Porsche for so long that you shouldn't really just pick a car from the lot. You actually come and have a consultation and design the exact car that you want. And that's where you step in, designing exactly what the customer wants.
This is exactly our job. Yeah, we are here to fulfill customer dreams, and we're dealing with customers on a daily basis, going the utmost of individualization that's possible. And a customer should definitely come here and see what's possible, because we have all these beautiful cars here, different colors, different materials. So this is part of the journey, and you shouldn't miss that journey.
So in the United States, you can do a consultation at PEC Atlanta as well as PEC LA. But if you choose and you happen to be here in Stuttgart, you can make an appointment, I believe, and have a consultation here as well.
Yeah, we are happy to welcome any customer from the worldwide here in Zuffenhausen, because this is what we're here for. And of course, also customers from the US, and yeah, by appointment only. We have to have them take the time to go through the process. But anytime you're feeling like this, get in contact with your dealer, get in contact with us, and we'll make something happen.
So as you can imagine, footage here inside Works 1 and inside Exclusive Manufaktur is quite limited, but I've got some B-roll for you, and we're going to share them with you now.
I found my voice, decisions waiting, I'm contemplating, need to feel it now, there's been no choice. I found my voice, decisions waiting, I'm contemplating.